I'm Vinay Puri, and I am a pediatric neurologist. We actually start doing consultations on the fetus sometimes. So sometimes if there's a neurological anomaly found in a fetus, we do consults starting from there. We then start seeing newborns that have neurological problems, like problems with seizures or stroke or low muscle tone. And then from there on, we take care of children till they are 21 years of age. With any problem that might affect the brain, the spinal cord, the nerve, the muscle, anything we take care of all the way from there. So epilepsy, muscular dystrophies, cerebral palsy, Tourette syndrome, migraines, that's what a child neurologist predominantly cares for. The whole experience of taking care of children that have problems, and you have parents that come to you with their child, is a pretty sacred experience for me. And I like to really I like to take stock of that situation. I like to care for the patient while also caring very much for the family and understanding the whole dynamic there, and really trying to connect with them and let them know from the very outset that it is both a real honor and a pleasure taking care of a child and their family in that situation. And I've lived that motto from the beginning, and it has served me extremely well. I was growing up, I went to a boarding school in the Himalayas in India, and I was very interested in academics and in sports from the very beginning. It was an incident in the 8th grade. I was my 11 o'clock break in the morning, and I was standing with two of my friends, and our biology teacher walked up to me. He put his arm around me, and he said, Vinay, I think you should become a doctor. I think you have a real proclivity for life sciences, and you're a good guy, so I think you'll make a very good doctor. And from that day on in the 8th grade, there was no looking back. I came back for my vacation, told my parents I was going to become a doctor, and the rest is history. I like to spend time with my wife and my two daughters and my animals at home. I don't play as much sports as I used to, but tennis and swimming are two of my favorite sports. And I like to watch my girls play sports. I like to do gardening. And then I do some traveling with the family whenever we get a chance. So try to lead as well-rounded of a life as I can.